I'm Ruby Martinez with Profashion, and today I'm going to show you how to use your trifecta styling wand to create professional styles at home. A major key to styling your hair stress-free is to make sure that you're picking the right size barrel for your hair. Since I have thinner but longer hair, I like to go for a 1 inch. If you're someone who has shorter hair, I definitely recommend the 1/2 inch. This is going to be great for your length. If you have longer or thicker hair, the 1.5 inch is going to be perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to show you all of the tips and techniques to get a great loose wave. First, you want to start off by sectioning off your hair, okay? So just go ahead and clip away the section so it's not in the way while I curl my hair. All right, once you have it all sectioned out, you're just gonna give it a quick brush so that it's not tangled or knotted up or anything like that. Make sure it's nice and smooth. So for a loose wave, I would recommend to start off with smaller sections until you get used to it, but you wanna grab around a 1 to 2 inch section. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So, this is what your section is gonna look like. You always want to make sure you have your heat protecting glove when you're styling. So the biggest tip is to make sure that your iron is face down at a 45-degree angle. So it'll look something like this, okay? Now, you also want to make sure that you're placing the iron on top of the hair. Not in the middle, not behind, not like that. Now for this loose wave, it's very important that you keep the section of hair nice and flat on the barrel. Let me show you what I mean by that. So now you want to grab this section with just these 3 fingers right here. This is going to make it so much easier to keep the hair flat on the barrel. And wrapping that around the barrel. And you can see it's very flat and sleek on the barrel. For a loose wave, you just want to hold it for about 5 seconds or so and glide the iron down the curl. This is gonna open it up a little bit so that it gives you a nice loose curl effect. Once you get this technique down, it makes curling your hair so much easier. Now I'm gonna show you how to curl a section on the back of your hair. This can be a little tricky, but this tip is gonna make it so much easier for you. So you're gonna grab a section from behind your hair. Here's your section. We're going to actually take the barrel behind your head, okay? So same 45-degree angle facing down, using your 3 fingers here to make sure that it is completely flat. We're just going to twirl it away from our face. Leave it there for a few seconds. And we're going to glide the iron down. Now, curling the right side of your face can be kind of tricky for people since we're so used to directing things on the left side of your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get a nice loose wave on the right side of your face. You're gonna keep the same technique, but the trick is to switch the hands. So you want to grab this section with your right hand and the barrel with your left hand. Placing the hair flat against the barrel and twirling it away from your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Glide the iron down. And there's your right side section. So you're gonna continue those tips and techniques around the whole perimeter of your head, and that's how you get a nice loose wave. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. If you have any question or for more information on our products and tools, visit our website at profashionhair.com.